Did you know that the oil you use daily might be harming your health? Many common edible oils contain hidden dangers that can impact your well-being. Edible oils high in trans fats and prone to oxidation pose serious health risks. They are linked to heart disease, obesity, and inflammation. Additionally, harmful chemicals used in oil processing can further exacerbate these issues. Oils like palm oil and hydrogenated vegetable oil are high in unhealthy fats. Refined oils, often labeled as heart-healthy or cholesterol-free, can be misleading as refining removes nutrients and adds toxins. Opt for cold-pressed and unrefined oils such as olive oil, mustard oil, and coconut oil. These oils retain their natural nutrients and are better for your health. Choose oils based on your cooking style to maximize health benefits. To protect your health, switch to healthier oil options. Remember, the right choice of oil can make a significant difference. Share this information with your loved ones and encourage them to make informed decisions about the oils they use. Change your oil, change your health.